On 20th January, Afrin was attacked by Turkish forces. As a result, tens of kids were the first victims. Those attacks led to mass forced displacement from Afrin towards Shahba regions. Afrin kids left their school desks, the parks, the toys, and their dreams on the way of displacement. Kids thought that they are safer in Shahba, but they didn't know that diseases and epidemics are waiting for them. Hamrin, displaced kid from Afrin, 16 days old, dead. All what she needed was suction device and more oxygen. The Kurdish Red Crescent medical staff did their best, but death was faster. Her tiny body couldn't resist. So we lost Hamrin in our medical point. Hamrin wasn't the only child, Yusuf, who came to our medical point in the same day with Hamrin. Yusuf was luckier to survive as his tiny body could resist more than Hamrin's body.
شايفين هذا كان الطفلين احنا حاطينه مع التنظيف بس ما كان لا اكسجين لا جهاز تنفسي يعني ابسط الشغلات الطبيه اللي كان نحتاج الاكسجين ما في عندنا بعد ما عملنا تنظيف للاطفال الحمد لله تحسن شوي بس هذا مثل ما انتم شايفين هلا الطفل مزرق وبده اكسجين ضروري.
Rashid says, "We are really desperately sorry. We couldn't help these two kids simply because we lack the equipment and the medical treatment for those kids." A kid without name, 5 days old. Her parents were thinking to give her a name, but death was faster. She died because of lack of oxygen and suction device.
حيدر عبد الله من عندكم هاني ببي نخوش بيدر كده دركات جي نش شغل تنابه بارتنا تناونا كشكو بكره بارا بيرتنا دوغر كده دركات مختلف شيء لم لا دكان دالمون تناي زوزو دل ما بيتنا تقراري فينا بكره دوغر بارا شغل تنا نو ماشي جي.
Haydar mother says, "I lost my son in the camp. He saw the light in Barkhadan camp in Fafin, but his light was turned off in the same camp. He died because of food disorder and lack of good nutrition system." Haydar mother says, "It's very painful to tell you, but I really don't want other kids to face the same situation." Bayram, 1 month old, kid who lived in Afrin camp. Because of heat, he had meningitis, and because of lack of medicines, Bayram lost his life in the camp.
العفريني أو نخرج
عفرين أو تسناب وتستخدم
لا لو تغى الفيديو ببعد
His mother says, "Because of heat, I lost my son. I didn't know what really to do. but all I know that I lost my son under the tent. We call on all humanitarian organizations to give a hand to displaced kids from Afrin. Here in Shahba, let's work together to stop the medical disasters that happen to those kids.